Hello guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, we are still analyzing the questions we are likely to see in the forthcoming UTME, which is commencing on the 19th of this month. Please, as you subscribe, you'll be notified by YouTube each time I upload the new content. So the first question here says, protein and fat are best digested where? The first one said the digestion of carbohydrates begins from the digestion of carbohydrate begins from the dash. A, is it stomach? Is it small intestine? Is it large intestine or the mouth? So carbohydrate digestion begins from the mouth, alright, because the mouth has the salivary gland, the hard and soft palate. Now, salivary gland has three other constituents: the parotid gland, the submandibular gland, and the sublingual gland. These three salivary glands are the constituents of salivary glands. So, which means that their primary role is to secrete what is called saliva. And saliva has a carbohydrate digestive enzyme called what? Thialin. Okay, so and it is alkaline, not acidic. It is alkaline. It is an alkaline content. Okay, take note of that. Now, protein and fat are best digested in A, stomach, B, small intestine, C, large intestine, and D, mouth. The answer is the small intestine. The small intestine is the region where proteins and fat are best digested. So take note of that. The next question. The last stage of digestion is the dash. The last stage of digestion is the dash. A, the stomach, B, small intestine, C, large intestine, and D, the mouth. So digestion never occurs in the large intestine. So digestion of food substances ends in the small intestine. Please note that. Now, of course, the small intestine has three divisions: the ileum, the jejunum, and the duodenum. Okay, so as time goes on, get to know the function of these three constituents or three divisions of the small intestine. The next question. Protein digestive enzyme is called dash. Protein digestive enzyme is called dash. A, protease, B, lipase, C, amylase, and D, trypsin. The answer is protease. Protease converts protein to amino acid. Okay, so protease is protein digestive enzyme. The next question. Fat and oil digestive enzyme is called dash. Fat and oil has their digestive enzyme as what? Lipase. So lipase is the digestive enzyme of fat and oil. So it converts fat and oil into fatty acid and what? Glycerol. Lipase is to fat and oil. Protease is to what? Protein. While amylase is to carbohydrate. Okay, so let's continue. Next question. Carbohydrate digestive enzyme is A, protease, B, lipase, C, amylase, and D, trypsin. Of course, the answer is what? The answer is what? Amylase. Amylase digests carbohydrates, lipase digests fat and oil, then protease digests what? Protein. Take note of that. The next question. Dash coagulates milk. Dash coagulates or curdles milk. A, renin, B, pepsin, C, lipase, D, erepsin, and E, protease. So milk is curdled or coagulated by renin. Take note of that. The next question. Dash converts protein to peptone. Dash converts protein to peptone. Option A, renin, B, pepsin, C, trypsinogen, and D, erepsin. So which of them convert protein to peptone? The answer is pepsin. Pepsin converts protein to peptone in the stomach. The next question. Dash convert polypeptide to amino acid. Dash convert polypeptide to amino acid. A, renin, B, pepsin, C, trypsinogen, and D, erepsin. So erepsin convert polypeptide to amino acid, pepsin convert protein to peptone, then peptone is converted to polypeptide by the trypsin. Take note of that. The next question. Oh, the question is even here. Dash convert peptone to polypeptide. So what is the answer? Trypsin. Trypsin converts peptone to polypeptide. I believe that is understood enough. The next question. The movement of food in the esophagus is called dash. The movement of food in the esophagus or the gullet is called dash. A, coagulation, B, conjugation, C, peristalsis, and E, crypsis. The movement of food in the gullet or esophagus is called A, coagulation, B, conjugation, C, peristalsis, and D, crypsis. So the answer is what? Peristalsis. The movement of food in the esophagus or gullet is called peristalsis, or it is called a peristaltic movement. Okay, so note that. Note that, very, very important. Now the next question. Sucrase converts sucrose to dash. Sucrase converts sucrose to dash. A, glucose and glucose, that is 2 molecules of glucose. B, glucose and fructose. C, glucose and galactose. And D, glucose and raffinose. So sucrase is an enzyme which converts sucrose, which is a sugar present in sugar cane. Sucrase converts glucose, so it converts sucrose, sucrase, an enzyme, converts sucrose to galactose and what? Fructose. Please note that. Next question. Matase convert maltose to A, glucose and glucose, that is 2 molecules of glucose. B, glucose and fructose. C, glucose and galactose. And D, glucose and raffinose. So please, matase convert maltose to 2 molecules of what? Glucose. The next question. Lactase converts lactose to which of these? A, 2 molecules of glucose. B, glucose and fructose. C, glucose and galactose. And D, glucose and raffinose. So glucose and galactose will produce what? Lactose. Listen, glucose and galactose will produce what? Lactose. Glucose and galactose produce lactose. Then glucose and fructose will produce sucrose. Then 2 molecules of glucose will produce what? Maltose. Note that, very, very important. The next question. The projections found in the small intestine are called dash. The projections found in the small intestine are called which of these? Is it the rugae? Is it the cristae? Is it the villi or the cisternae? Please, rugae is the folds that is found in the stomach. What does it do? It expands the stomach for what? Digestion. While in the small intestine, the thread-like structures or the projections found in the small intestine is called villi, and the villi increases the large surface area of the small intestine for digestion and what? Absorption. Note that, very, very important. The next question. The partially digested food in the small intestine is called which of these? A, chyle, C-H-Y-L-E, then B, chyme, C-H-Y-M-E, C, bolus, and D, chyme, C-H-I-M-E. The answer is chyle. Chyle is to small intestine, then chyme is to the stomach. Thanks for watching this video. Please, as you have learned something in today's video, do not forget to subscribe so that when I upload new content, you would be notified by YouTube. Do have a wonderful day.